Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Keela coming at you naturally DubK. And I'm coming at you with a quick spaghetti meal. I have heated up my pan and I'm just putting my ground beef in there. This is a meal that you can make for a large group and it doesn't cost very much, so very budget friendly. Into my ground beef, I also add some sweet Italian sausage or whatever type of Italian sausage you would like to add. I just open it, cut it open and take the casing off and mix it in with my ground beef. I like to mash my meat up with a potato masher. It's just good for like when you're making pizzas or making taco meat. It's easier than using a fork, so that's why I'm using that. I've chopped up a piece of green pepper. Now I'm chopping up a piece of red pepper. I just kind of use what I have or what's on sale. These are baby bells, so sweet peppers, orange peppers, normally I would get out a cutting board, but I was kind of in a rush just to get it on so I can do those few dishes over there in the corner. I usually do them first, but today I was out of whack. Just chopping up a piece of onion to go in there as well. I saved a little piece, so I'm going inside of the salad that Micaiah is making. Alright, so now I'm about to switch to a spoon. The meat is small enough, or like I like it, so now I can go ahead and move to a spoon to make sure all of the peppers and onions are incorporated into the ground beef and Italian sausage. So now I'm seasoning it. I have put some Italian season, some accent, some garlic powder, some onion, and a little bit of oregano. I have my pasta water boiling, and now I'm adding in the pasta. I use one box and then like a little bit of another box that I have. So only about $2 for the pasta. If that, $1.50. Now I do see people adding oil in theirs. I don't. But you can. Micaiah is looking for season for the tomatoes to go on the salad. Now here I am. I'm shredding up some smoked Gouda that I had. And the only reason why I'm using this is because I didn't want it to go bad, so I wanted to get rid of it. Normally it would be like sharp cheddar, so I just pretty much use whatever I have. It always turns out really good. This is just a piece of Velveeta. It was just a small piece in a bag that was in the fridge, taking up space, so I'm going to use that as well. I normally use a lot more cheese, but cheese in my belly has not been getting along very well. So I still love cheese, but I try to just limit the amount of cheese. Normally in a big old pan like this, I would use about 2 blocks of cream cheese, but as you can see, I just use a half one. And I usually just mix it on my hot noodles and then mix everything together. But like I said, I was kind of out of it today, so just making sure the noodles are al dente. Al dente. You don't want them to be too soft because they're going to go in the oven. And we add pepperonis to ours, and usually olives as well. I didn't have any. And plus, when I went to the store, Mahogany didn't want to have olives. She finally decided after she turned 18 that she wants to tell me she don't like olives. Okay. So I didn't put any olives in. Showing you that I'm going to use 2 cans of mushrooms once I drain them. And with the pasta sauce, I just use whatever pasta sauce is on sale because I re-season the pasta sauce anyway. So I just mix them, maybe like a green pepper or garlic parm or mushroom, whatever 2 you want to use. I add a little water into the jar, shake it up, and pour that water into the next jar. Shake it up, make sure we get all them little contents out. And here you go, see me seasoning my pasta sauce with some accent season, some onion powder, some garlic powder, and some Italian season. Black pepper. Stir it up. And I'm going to give it a quick finger dab test. And it didn't make cut. So I'm going to add a little bit more accent seasoning there. Whatever season you want to use. Stir that up. And then I start to add my ground beef. Now the only reason why I do it this way is just easier for me to mix it all together. And I didn't really want to dirty up my big old pot. I'm being lazy, y'all. Just trying to get a quick 30-minute meal on the table. Now the reason why this pan is so big is because I have children and grandchildren. And you know, it was Sunday, so you never know who may stop by. And you don't want to ever feel like you don't have enough. So I just make a lot. Because I want them to feel comfortable anytime they come, that we have enough for them if they ever wanted to eat. So here I'm just kind of like breaking up the cream cheese. Like I said, normally I would put this on my hot noodles, which it'll melt up. But didn't do that today. But still turned out great. Mushrooms. And I added a few more pepperonis in there. I like to see them. And here we go, adding our pasta. You see it's smoking hot. We're gonna make sure all of the noodles are coated. I like my spaghetti a little saucy. I don't like dry spaghetti, so And I like meaty spaghetti. That's why you saw me put that hamburger. It was like $10 and a pack of Italian sausage because we like our spaghetti to be meaty. So adding the noodles. Those noodles was cooked perfect. Tell me, I was happy about them. And I'm just kind of like chopping it, mixing it, so it can still have some long ones, but short ones as well. Yeah, can you imagine it with olive and extra cheese in it, honey? This spaghetti be slamming. And it's simple. A lot of times people just use the pasta sauce without putting nothing extra in. Like, you gotta season your food in layers. Like, what in the world is going on these days? If they do all the hard work for you, do they add enough seasoning? Sometimes no. So that's where that comes in. And then I'm just going to take a bag of sharp cheddar cheese or whatever kind of cheese you like to go over the top, and however much you like. Right over the top. Baby's finna go in the oven, and it was really, really heavy. I almost dropped it. So you just cook it in there. Remember, everything's already done. You're just getting it to set together and let the cheese melt pretty much. And we're going to take it out of the oven. Very heavy, so be very careful. I probably should have had it on a sheet pan, but like I said, I was rushing. And here's the finished product. I probably would have let it stay in there a little bit longer, but Maddie kept screaming she was hungry. I'm hungry. And this is a large tin foil pan. I get them from Sam's. Gotta keep them on deck, so I don't like to do too many dishes. You'll see 2 pieces of brown sugar salmon. It was Mahogany's birthday, and she loves salmon, so she requested that, so I did do 2 pieces for her. And I have a video previously on this strawberry cake. I just made 1 box instead of 2. And you can see that this is a lot of spaghetti. And I'll pick some plates here for everybody. Hefty paper plates is the business. And this is actually a salad spooner, but it works perfect for spaghetti. And I use it if I'm not mixing my spaghetti together to grab the noodles. That's what that is. But it works good for this too. We also have some garlic knots, is what the kids like. Me and my husband, we like garlic toast. But they eat them knots and then they eat the toast too, so. And then now we have a spinach salad, we have spinach. This is our eggs, tomatoes, Sunday cheese, and dinner, onions. Real quick and simple spaghetti. I guess Makai was being lazy too because she didn't really mix it up. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Tell a friend. We are on a mission to get to 500 subscribers. That is my short-term goal, and it's going to take you and all of your friends and family. We love you. Peace and blessings.